Hi, welcome to Urban Activity Explorer. In this video, I will give you a quick walkthrough of the different features of this system and how we will use it to annotate Los Angeles. So in the first map, which is a heat map of Twitter activity in the day that is mentioned here, what you can do is that you can zoom in and out. As you zoom in and out, the heat map will update it to show you more detail and less detail. Interacting with this view will update the word cloud to represent the area that you're exactly looking at. So as we move into LAX, you will see the word cloud of top words that have been mentioned in tweets in this area. The timeline also represents the same thing. So you can see the temporal activity that's been occurring um, in the area that you're looking at. More than that, what you can do is to select a specific time and see what areas in the city have been active during that time. So you can see that, for example, this area in Compton has had some extra activity in this specific time. The next map is a map of flow, a movement of Twitter users. What you can do is you can zoom in and out to again see more or less detail on where people have moved. Using this chart, you will be able to select the the y-axis of this chart is the length of travel, and the x-axis is the time. In each of these orange lines are one of these things on the map. So what we can do is basically select the longer travel path, the shorter travel path in terms of length to see which areas have more walkability or pedestrian activity. There are some other features that will help you explore the interface differently. So in this part, you can change the base map to look at a different, more information basically. So this type of base map has kind of the building footprints and the names of the businesses that are there. So that might help with understanding the context of what is happening. And also you will be able to overlay the flow map on the same map and also click on this tweet layer, which will show you, which will allow you to basically read the tweets, the individual tweets, if you'd like to spend time to see what people have said in that area. Before talking about the annotation features of this application, I would like to talk about how you can search specific terms of interest. So for example, we'll be able to input, for example, accident. And then what you can see is that most of the highways are highlighted. And then, so these are the areas where tweets about an accident have been occurring and have been happening during the timeline. So you can click on the tweet panel and see, when they are talking about specific traffic accidents. And then the timeline also shows what times there has been more of this. So you will be able to choose the different days that you want to explore. So by clicking a specific day, we refilter the data. So after exploring the different aspects of the system and learning about the activity, the Twitter activity in the city, what you can do is you can focus on a specific region and use any one of these two tools, the polygon or a rectangle tool, to draw a region. After the region is drawn, you can click on it. A pop-up will, be shown, which will show you, which will highlight for you the 2-month period specifically about that area, so you can learn about the more extended timeline. So as you can click, you will see that this area has had some discussion about Compton. You can move about, see what about this area. There's a party, so seems to be, I don't know, a nightclub or something. You can click here, see what the people are talking about. Again, straight out of Compton. Then humidity, So there's events and there seems to be a weather station. So I don't know, the party area where maybe a nightclub and also a weather station that tweets. So you can click submit. You won't be able to do that initially. You need to log in. So by logging in, I mean that you need to type in a name. So Ali or whatever name you would like to put. Hit login, and then that would enable you to input comments. You can, zoom in and comment about a very kind of drilled down region. So we should be able to, for example, change the heat map here and draw a polygon, then click, and then this will allow us to observe this area. So there's a brewing company, so there's beer. What else? There's not a lot of tweets, but there are mentions of graffiti and beer. So it might be a area with not a lot of passing population. This is just a comment. Hit submit, and that's it.